I have pursued all my life to become not just an entrepreneur. I truly believe that we are all artists. So I call myself an artist entrepreneur. And I found my passion. It took a lot of trial and error to get closer and closer to what I'm supposed to do in the world. I truly believe that my job is to connect people, to be in connection. My name is Troy Olds, and I am a human optimization coach. Human optimization takes on a lot of forms. For me today, it is primarily about helping individuals identify the different blocks that they've got on an emotional level, as well as on a physical level, that are holding them back from literally living the life that they deserve to live. A life that they create and a life that they choose. I've worked with everybody from CEOs to moms and dads to actors to help them get prepared mentally as well as physically for the job that they have in front of them. I still work with those individuals on a daily basis, but I've got an intense passion for people who are working through traumas and recovery. I'm not a therapist, I'm not a doctor. I'm a person who has grown up and raised a family in America. And so I understand the challenges that most people go through. And I know change can be a scary word for folks, but the reality is, unless you do change the way you look at the world and change your mind, your life will be exactly the same. You will react the same play, same story over and over again.
I chose to attend the wellness workshop today because I have experienced doing box breathing with Troy in the past, and it has made a difference in how I feel physically. It has definitely made a huge difference in my household. I've learned to create my own community at home so that my kids can be part of a community when they're older and understand how to have patience. I saw results with Troy's program within like a day or two of doing it. I highly encourage doing the breathing and really taking a look at ourselves and fixing what we can and throwing the rest out and just looking at our future. Don't worry about doing the same patterns over and over again. Let's make a difference.
So if you have a feeling, you have an intuition, if you're sick and tired of the way things have been and you want to get off that merry-go-round, then make a decision. And if you choose to take action, I would love to talk with you. I don't work with everybody, but I will point you in a direction and certainly give you tremendous value, regardless, from a free consultation. But if you and I do choose to work together, my commitment is that your life will be new and different, not painless, but suffering is optional, and you will have so much more joy, and you are going to see this world as it truly is, which is absolutely amazing and magic, just like you. So take some action.